क्लास 7th लाइन एंड एंगल्स। लाइन एंड एंगल्स की कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज के या फिर कुछ कंसेप्ट बताएंगे। टू लाइंस आर पैरेलल, ए बी पैरेलल टू सी डी एंड ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन ई एफ इंटरसेक्ट एट पॉइंट पी एंड क्यू। देन फर्स्ट AB parallel to CD and transversal line EF intersect at point P and Q, then their corresponding angle are equal. Second, alternate interior angle are equal and alternate exterior angle are equal and vertically opposite angle are equal. So corresponding angle, first corresponding angle. Corresponding angle are equal. Corresponding angle angle first, angle second, angle third, angle fourth, angle fifth, angle sixth, angle 7 and angle 8. Corresponding angle 1, each corresponding angle is 5. Corresponding angle 2, each corresponding angle is 6. Corresponding angle is 3 is equal to corresponding angle of 7. Corresponding angle 4 is equal to corresponding angle 8. Angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Corresponding angle. Corresponding angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 3, angle 7. And angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Corresponding angle identify. Angle 1 located at upper side of line AB and angle 5 located at upper side of line CD. Angle 2 transversal line located at left hand side and upper side of AB. Angle 6 located at transversal line of left side and located at parallel line CD of AB is located at upper side. Second, corresponding angle and alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle, for example, angle third is angle 5. Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. Angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 is angle 5 is alternate interior angle and angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6 alternate interior angle. Third, alternate exterior angle. Alternate exterior angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7 and angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Fourth property is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle implies that angle 1, angle 3, angle 2, angle 4, angle 6, angle 8, angle 7, angle 5. Angle 1, 3. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3, comma, angle 2, angle 4, comma, angle 5, angle 7 and angle 6, angle 8. all angle are vertically opposite angle. Pair of alternate interior angle are supplementary. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. And angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Linear pair. Region linear pair angle. Linear pair angle. Pair of alternate interior angle are transversal or supplementary. This is the supplementary angle. Co-interior angle. Region co-interior angle or co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. Angle 3 and angle 4 180 degree. Angle 5 angle 8 180 degree. Angle 7 angle 8 180 degree. Angle 6 angle 5 180 degree. And angle 5 angle 6 180 degree. Angle 7 plus angle 8 180 degree. Angle 1 4 180 degree. Angle 2 3 180 degree. Angle 6 7 180 degree. And a straight angle or 180 degree. Sum of a linear pair angle is 180 degree.